Good morning. I am Dinagaran. Today our topic is Turing machine code. Consider this is a Turing machine description. Here we have a set of states, set of input symbol, tape symbol, transition configuration, starting state, blank symbol, final states. Okay, now consider we have a representation. States Q0 can be represented using 1, Q1, double 1. Input symbol 0 means 1, 1 means double 1. Tape symbols 0 means 1, 1 means double 1. Blank symbol means triple 1. So we represented likewise. Okay, now consider the Turing machine description. Set of states, input symbols, blank symbols, tape symbols, transition configuration, starting state, blank symbol, and final state. Okay, how it can be coded? Q0 means 1. So Q0 means 1. Q0 and Q1 can be separated by 0. So Q0 1 separated by 0. Q1 means double 1. So double 1. Set of states and set of input symbol can be separated by double 0. So we have to include double 0. Set of states and set of input symbols can be separated by double 0. So we have to include double 0. Now 0 means 1. It can be separated by single 0. So single 0, 1. Then this can be separated by double 0. So include double 0. 0 means 1. 1 means double 1. So double 1. Blank means triple 1. So each and everything can be separated by single 0. Now tape symbol and transition configuration can be separated by double 0. Now transition configuration. Each and everything must be separated by single 0. So Q0 1 it is separated by 0. 0 means input symbol 0 means 1. So 1. So separated by 0. Q0 means 1. So Q0 means 1. 0 means 1. Right direction means double 1. So double 1. Transition configuration and starting symbol separated by double 0. So double 0. Now the state Q0 1. So 1. Blank symbol and starting state separated by double 0. Blank symbol means triple 1. So triple 1. Blank symbol and final state divided by separated by the double 0. Final state means Q1 means double 1. So double 1. So likewise we can code Turing machine. Thank you.